Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best smart battery charger for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion, smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best smart battery charger for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. When it comes to maintaining the longevity and performance of your car, motorcycle, or boat battery, having a reliable and efficient charger is essential. The 12-volt, 24-volt smart battery charger with a 10-amp, 5-amp fast charging capacity, an LCD display, and pulse repair technology stands out as a top-tier solution for all your charging needs. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this charger is designed to keep your batteries in prime condition, ensuring reliable performance when you need it most. Fast and efficient charging. One of the key features of this charger is its ability to deliver rapid charging with its 10-amp output for 12-volt batteries and 5 amps for 24-volt batteries. This means you can quickly get your battery charged without the long waiting times that are typical with other chargers. The fast charging capability is perfect for users who are on the go or need to get their vehicle back in action quickly. This charger's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from cars to motorcycles and even large trucks. Smart technology with LCD display. What sets this charger apart is its smart charging system. With built-in microprocessor control, it automatically adjusts to the optimal charging mode for the specific battery type, reducing the risk of overcharging and ensuring safe, efficient charging every time. The LCD display provides real-time updates on charging status, voltage, and current, so you can monitor the process at a glance. This user-friendly feature eliminates any guesswork, giving you full control over the battery charging process. Pulse repair technology. The pulse repair function is another standout feature of this smart charger. It uses high-frequency pulses to help rejuvenate batteries that have been heavily discharged or have started to suffer from sulfation, a common problem with lead-acid batteries. This can potentially extend the lifespan of your battery and improve its overall performance. By using pulse repair, this charger not only keeps your batteries in good condition, but can also revive those that might otherwise need to be replaced. Versatility and durability. This charger is designed for all kinds of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GEL, and standard flooded types. Its robust construction ensures durability and reliability, even under harsh conditions. Whether you're storing your car for the winter or simply keeping your battery topped off, this charger is up to the task. For anyone looking for a fast, efficient, and intelligent charging solution, the 12-volt, 24-volt smart battery charger is a must-have tool. With its fast charging capabilities, smart technology, and pulse repair features, it offers a comprehensive solution for keeping your batteries in peak condition. Don't let a dead battery slow you down. Invest in this reliable charger today. Thanks for watching the video.